us? Which I can't hear you. I don't know if you can hear me. You hear me? Hello? Are you speaking? We can't hear you either.
I think she's saying no. Something
No.
wrong with her. How's your
What's that?
How was your Thanksgiving holiday?
Very good. It was great. We had family over and all of that, and it was great. How about yourself?
Good. I spent time with family, a bunch of family. It
Mm-hmm.
was good.
That's always good. Yeah,
Yeah.
absolutely. Now it's back to work, huh?
Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
Oh well, that's good.
Oh, what is Amy?
I don't know where she is. I don't know if she's back. She was going to be in Austin over the weekend. Um, I don't
Still
know.
in Texas, I guess.
What's that?
Maybe she's somewhere in Texas. Remember, she saying she was traveling
Yeah, in Austin, to
to
Austin.
down out. Yes. Yeah, you're right.
And Hugh can't make it. He asked me to start the scrum.
Okay.
I don't think he can make it though
Okay.
tonight.
How do you say his name? I always say Joel.
I always say Hua, something like that. That seems to
Hewer.
be
Okay.
phonetically how he pronounces it, or something close to that, but I can't get it exactly.
Okay.
You have to
Okay.
be Portuguese to do it exactly, I think.
Oh. Okay.
Um, this week, did you get your login implementation in? I think you did, didn't you?
Yes, I think he accepted the PR. I guess. I mean, you mean for the login, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So that's been merged already.
Yeah, should be. I don't know if you update your local repo.
I have updated it. I'll have to look and see if I get that when it comes out. When it comes up, I'll just try it right now. In fact, Jai, can you hear us? Yeah. Okay. Looks like she's on there twice right now.
Okay,
Hmm.
she.
Strange.
I know.
Looks like I've still got the old login screen, so I'll have to pull the new stuff down.
Oh, okay. Well, did you submit your homework 169? I mean, I was trying 169 homework
Mhm.
3 because the outer grader was I don't think it was working yet properly. I tried it to submit the work, but just spinning, and I said, you know what, something wrong with this thing.
Are you are you talking about homework 3 or homework 4?
Homework 3, I'm behind, man.
Oh, okay. Homework 4
Uh,
was due today, but of course they're going to give a week extension because the homework 4 auto grader has been a disaster for a few days now. It's the same behavior. Everybody just spins, says it's
mm,
processing, and goes on for hours, and it never comes back.
Yeah,
So they
that's
haven't
what.
fixed it. I guess
Okay,
it's affecting all the homework. I guess it's the same auto grader, maybe the same logic problem. So
I think so. Yeah.
yeah, I submitted homework 3, what, a week ago or some time ago, and it went in fine. But subsequent to that, I think
Yeah.
auto grader changes occurred and they broke something. So I think they got to fix it.
Oh, okay. Huh.
Looks like Vijay is having major problems. Hmm. Oh. Well, I hope she can join us. We're going to try again. Okay. All right. Well, I don't know if she's going to be able to join us. Let me share my screen here. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. So I don't know if we're going to have a scrum meeting or not, but what I want to talk about with you and Vijaya and anybody else who joined was, when we had our meeting with the client a week ago, a week and 9 days ago, whatever, we had told him that this is what we're going to be working on in this sprint.
Uh-huh.
We're working on agency admin stuff, employee registration, and job seeker.
Okay.
So let me log out here. Huh, look at that. Can't log out. That's interesting. Try to log out. It says some problem happened trying to get to your request. Please try again later. I can't log out. Well, anyway, I guess it doesn't really matter. Go home. Let me try to log out again. Okay, so I can only log out from the home screen. Interesting. Well, anyway, so I it looks like I've got the old login stuff. I don't see the new stuff yet. So I just
Okay.
have to pull it down, I think. When I go here, this is the updated, somewhat modified page. So I go to admin, and you guys saw before the edit the agency information.
Mhm.
So what I've done subsequent to that, right now I'm working on agency branches. So I've introduced the concept of agency branch. There's now a full-blown, a first class model called branch. Before, a branch was just represented as an address. Now we have a real model called branch, and it has an address associated with it, but it's a real model. It's not just a It's not just a join table. And so you can click on any one of these codes, and then you can go to this show screen, the show view for the particular branch. It will show you branch information. We'll have more information as time goes on. And it'll show you who's at the branch, like Chet Pitts, and there'll be other people listed here, people who are assigned to that branch.
Okay.
I've got delete branch working, which I'm not going to delete, but if I did, this branch would be blown up. And you can also edit the branch, except you can't. I haven't implemented the edit view yet, so here it fails. But that's kind of where I'm at. I've got the view screen working, the show view, and I've worked out the branch model, and I've worked out a bunch of routing things as well. So
Okay.
I've actually
So
got more progress done than is shown here.
Okay. So that means you updated the ERD too?
The ERD has been updated? Yep, absolutely. In fact,
Okay. Good.
Yep. So
I'll
it's
look at it.
you can pull it down from the
Okay.
tracker. Yeah.
All right.
So I'm continuing to work on this. So I think by the end of the week, certainly by the end of the week, if not maybe even tomorrow, I'll be able to submit a PR for agency branch editing. And just so you have an understanding of what I mean by that, let's see. So if I go to my routes table, I know that's small. So for routing, for agency branches, I've got branches. I'm going to create the create action, the new action.
Okay.
I'm also going to have the show, edit,
Uh-huh.
update, and destroy action.
Okay.
I've already got show done. I've got destroy done. I need to do edit and
Okay.
update, and I need to do create and new.
Okay.
This path stuff has to do with the fact that we're putting it under the admin namespace for
Uh-huh.
some of the actions. So no problem there.
Okay.
So
All
I'll get all of this stuff working by the end of the week, and probably start in on agency people editing, agency people management as well. So with that said, so I'm working on this. I think employer, job seeker, I think was taken by, was it Amy took that?
I'm not sure.
Let me see.
I think
Yeah,
Vijaya.
she took employer. That's right. So Amy's got
Yeah.
this one, employer registration process, and then Vijaya's got this one. By the way, she's
Yeah,
able
I
to join
think
us?
she took. Can you double check because she assigned herself and then all suddenly she
It's this one here.
did. That's the layout. That's the layout, right?
That's the layout, but okay, so she hasn't actually taken the registration implementation yet.
Yeah, she did, and then she I don't know. She took it out for some reason. I just want to ask her if she still want to do that. Okay, if not, I'll take it. I mean, she asked me before if she can do it.
Yeah. What I was going to suggest, though, is if she wants to do it, I mean, generally the person who creates the wireframe
Yeah,
has probably first dibs, if you will, on creating the implementation.
right.
So I thought that it would make sense for her to take that. But if she does, I think it might make sense for you to team up with her on that.
Yeah.
Because I think she's relatively junior, and I think she might have problems with some aspects of that, to be honest.
Okay.
You know?
All right. Well, be to team up with somebody. That's good. And then
Yeah.
can you go back to your admin routings? The you nested. You got a nested, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Well, there's two
So
things
in
I'm
case,
doing.
let's say,
Mhm.
okay, let's say, assuming, I mean, this maybe probably is not going to happen, but then how about if I delete the agency? I mean, the agency and then the branch. If the agency has a branches, right? If I delete the agency, do you have to, automatically let the branch also delete or just leave it? I mean, roaming.
No, we would have to delete all branches and
So
all
you
actions
okay,
associated with branches and all people associated with the agency. The whole thing would have to cascade through. Let's
Okay,
move it.
that's good.
If I delete a
Okay.
branch, if I delete,
Yeah.
destroy a branch, I have to
Uh,
confirm through my testing that if
Okay.
there's an address associated with the branch, that it's deleted as well.
Okay.
Um,
So that means, go ahead.
yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, I'm saying you already implemented that. I don't know when if there's. Can I see your agency model?
Yeah, so just so you know, I haven't tested whether destroy actually destroys an associated address yet.
Okay.
I probably, I have to look at that. I may have to put some more qualification in the branch model to
Okay.
confirm that
Okay.
that happens.
Okay. Okay. That just
The,
to that's good. Okay. I just probably it's not good idea to the branch just roam around without deleting the branches.
well, the other thing about agencies, you'll see here, the only actions I've got are create a new. The
Okay.
reason, yeah, um,
Create a new. Okay.
I'm sorry. For agencies, I was looking at a branch. For agencies, I only have edit and update. That's what gave me pause for a second. So in this case, we only have the concept of an agency, one agency that we're all working in. And we have an agency admin.
Hmm.
But that agency admin can only affect objects that belong to that agency.
Hmm.
That agency admin can't destroy their own agency that they're the admin of, you
Hmm.
know? So there's no destroy or in fact create or new. We don't know how to create a new agency yet, and we don't know how to destroy an existing agency. The reason is that at some point we'll have a super admin who
Okay.
sees all agencies,
Okay.
not just an admin agency who sees only one agency, but a super admin who sees all of it. That person would be able to destroy an
Hmm.
agency, would be able to create a new agency, etc. But right
Hmm.
now we're just working at the single agency level and at the agency admin level, just the guy who can see his own agency. That's it. So that's why the routing here is incomplete in terms of actions. Does that make
Okay.
sense?
Yes.
Yeah. So you wanted to see the agency model?
No, it's okay. It's not completed. I thought you already completed. That's fine.
Oh, the agency model is complete. I think
Okay.
what you're talking about is the branch model. So the branch model has an address. The question is, if I delete the branch and it has an address, is the address itself deleted? And I probably have to, do something like dependent true or something like that. But I got to look into that.
Okay.
That makes sense?
Yes, you're right.
Yeah. So
Maybe
it's
dependent. I don't know. Dependent true or dependent destroy something like that. Either it's true or destroy.
it's
One of them.
it's it's something like that, which I have to look into, but I haven't bothered to put that in there yet.
Oh, oh, good. Oh, she's back. She's back. I don't know if she can hear us.
Oh, really? Okay. Jai, can you hear us? Maybe not. Maybe she's having computer problems.
And then I was. Let me see if since you don't have the updated version locally and then show you. Then I was, checking around for the. You remember the login? We have register as a job seeker and then register as an employer.
Mm-hmm.
So I was. Let me show you visually. Probably if I explain it to you.
Yep. Okay.
So I'm going to share my screen.
Okay. Mhm.
Okay, can you see my screen?
I can. Yep.
Not yet. Not yet. Okay.
No, I can.
Think.
Oh, wait a minute.
Oh, you can?
Yeah, now.
Okay. There you go.
It went away. It went away. Let me see. Yeah, no, I got it. I got
Okay.
it.
You got it? Okay.
No. Yeah, okay, I can see it. It keeps flashing
Okay.
and they're going away.
Okay. So this is basically the login page.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Yeah, that's what I got. I mean, as submitted as a PR, and then remember you told me to get rid of the button whenever you click a login, and then see we only have new user here.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
I don't know. That's what he meant. That's what I did. Remember?
Yep. No, that makes sense.
Okay, and then I was playing around with, checking out for the, since we have register as a job seeker and register as an employer here,
Mm-hmm.
why
Mm-hmm.
don't we have, instead in here when when we are in the home page, so when we are home page here, why don't you have something like this? Have like a drop down. We have, you see this picture right here?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
I got it from the, I don't know, edX. So we have, instead of a Salim 178, we have a new user, and then here you register as employer or a job seeker, something like that. I was thinking, I mean, what do you think? Instead of like just having there just only new user, we can make it a button if you want, or make it like this if you want. I don't know. What do you think?
Well, it's cleaner that way, but my concern is that registering as a job seeker and register as an employer are two extremely radically different things. They're not even
Okay.
closely related. So putting them both on a drop down as if they're somewhat the same thing, just minor differences, might be
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Okay.
Yeah.
So, what is the new user then? Is that for job seeker? Was it what is this for? I mean, just registering as a user only if you have a new user?
So the idea originally was that there's information on the home page that we're looking at that says, if you're a job seeker, please click on the new user button in the top right corner.
Yes.
And there's also language on the home screen that says, if you're an employer interested in being associated with the job agency, click on this link. And there's a link in that text, and that takes them to an employer registration page. So the new user button is for a job seeker.
Okay.
There would be another page achieved through a link within some paragraph about, if you're an employer and you're interested in working with us, please register here. And there would be a link in the register here word to bring them to another screen.
Hold on. Okay, is that here? Are you looking at the homepage one more time? So this will be for the employer. You mean,
Well,
are you becoming a hiring partner or something?
Well, it would be something like that, except I think we need a lot more description as to what it means to be a hiring partner on the
Okay.
homepage. Because
Okay.
that doesn't say anything to anybody. Why would I want to be a hiring partner? And what is a hiring partner? Is that an employer or somebody who helps find people
You're
that
right.
this agency can place? So there's got to be a lot more words
Okay.
describing why you'd want to be associated with the job
Mhm.
agency and what that means. And then there'd be a link. So if interested, please go here. Please register.
Okay.
Please
Yeah.
indicate whatever.
Yeah, that makes sense. I mean, if you don't have something on this in here, I mean, elaborate more. You're right. It doesn't mean anything. I mean, what is this? This for the employer or kami harian partner? Are you looking for a job seeker or I don't know. Be
Yeah,
specific a bit, a little bit more specific.
exactly. So
Yeah. Okay.
it's a different thing, and I think it'll be some text there. Maybe there'll be a
Okay.
button
Okay.
associated with that text. Register as employer or something like that. Click on that link.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Then that will work. Then we can leave the new user here just as it is, and then we probably update our are you hiring this the link becoming hiring partner as you said, like register as employer or something. That would work. Yeah,
Mhm.
because I was confused.
Yeah, that's
Kind
kind of
of.
confusing. I think that's not a very good mock-up for the homepage right now.
Yes. Yes.
Maybe
Yeah.
when I get a chance, I'll just write some temporary language about what I'm thinking about there.
Okay.
But
I mean, since you're good at playing around with the word, it's a good idea if you come up with something descriptive and specific.
yeah, no, absolutely.
Yeah.
Um,
Okay.
so
Okay. That's it. I mean, let me
okay,
unshare. Okay. There you
looks
go.
like Vijay is having problems. She's not going to be able to join us. Well, why don't we do a quick Scrum thing at the tail
Sure.
end of the
And
call?
then call it a day or something. I'll
Call
go
it a
somewhere
day.
else.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, me too. So
Okay.
we're gonna go ahead?
Sure, definitely. Okay. Since last time I worked on homework 3 and finished and tried to submit, but I think something wrong with the auto grader. That's and
Yep.
then for the Might Plus, basically nothing. That's it. Since then, I just worked on the 169 homework.
Okay. And if you could connect up with Vijaya maybe when she actually maybe we can do a chat with her, but it'd be good if you could help her with that job seeker registration.
Sure,
Is that what
definitely.
you
Yeah.
decided she's working on, or was it
Yeah.
job?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm gonna send a message.
Yeah. Good. Great.
Mm.
So on my side, I created a PR for the agency information edit, basically managing information associated with the agency. I created a PR for the branch model and associated changes associated with that. And in the middle, and I submitted that PR. So the first PR has been merged already. The second one is pending. And I'm in the middle of basically implementing the agency management routes, including new, create, edit, show, destroy, all that good stuff. And I think that's probably about it. Okay,
Cool.
so you'll private message Vijay and kind of work.
Sure. Yeah.
Maybe,
I'll do right now, and then I don't know.
maybe you guys can get together tomorrow or
Exactly.
sometime soon.
Yes.
Get rolling
Yes.
on that. That'd be great.
Yeah, sure. Okay.
Okay.
I think that's it, I guess.
Yep. I think that's it from me too.
All right.
It's a shame about Vijay, but maybe tomorrow night she'll be able to join us.
Okay. All right.
All right, Celine.
Okay, Patrick. All right. Thanks.
All right. Take care. We'll talk to you soon.